I'm sorry, Chris. Okay, I'm back. So, imagine you're tapping, and you see 355 is kind of the resistance. You see it tap again, and as you see it pulling back, imagine this is all gone. You're like, oh, 355 pullback. You think about it this. So let's say you buy puts right here. I mean, you're shorting it. I mean, you're thinking it's going to go down. So think about this is your mind thought. Like this is your mind. So traders, even the best ones, they always have stops because they don't know. No one knows truly what's going to happen. It's probability. So the probability of it going south on you is very low, and if it does, you have a stop way up here, like above the high day, which is right there, way up here. Like 356 or above that, and you're basically saying that I think this thing has run its course. It's going to go down. So the risk is very little because you already know if it breaks high day, then okay, it's going to keep going, or if it's going to test this and come way down, or it's just going to come down a little bit. One way or another, you're going to make money, or you're going to lose a very little amount of money. And so this is how kind of traders work. So you see it coming up to this, you set a limit order, or you wait for the option to get to the equity gets this price, and then buy the option at this point, this range, and you wait and you wait and you wait, and don't get afraid of green, popping up on you. Your puts maybe get less valued as this comes up, and then it comes all the way down, and I wouldn't be afraid to hold. But the only thing is, if you hold through this, especially if you look away, you have work, you have things to do, be aware of where it popped right here. So at 351ish, 359, I get 350.90. But besides that, I wouldn't worry about those. What I would be worrying about is the time of day, so which is about 12 o'clock, 11:30, 12 o'clock, right here. Okay, so about 11:30, 12 o'clock is when things bounce, and you can see it right here, it kind of bounce. That's the only time I'd be really worried about. And then we talked about wicks. So you see all these things right here. These things don't matter when you're looking at them, like what we're talking about, but these are basic indicators that I've developed over time and talked to other traders about. I really don't use them all too much. They're really important for hyper trading, so minute to minute, like you buy and sell like penny stocks. I don't do that really much anymore, but RSI is pretty important. So if it's oversold, like you can see, above this line it's oversold, below this line it's overbought is when it's up here, and then oversold is when it's down here. So right here wouldn't be a bad idea to buy, but so this is all you're thinking back in the past, you're busy with other things, but yeah, so this basic candle chart reading, you know what I mean, it's not volume, this is volume down here. So yeah, this is kind of my video for you, Chris. I hope you enjoy. So Netflix is, I'm going to just sit here and talk about some stocks to look at when you're option trading. Netflix is a good one. The SPY is a good one. Oh shit, let's go back. SPY is a good one. I can't really see it. I'm drunk, so this is my drunk video. SPY. SPX. BABA is a very, very good option trader, I guess you can so to speak. The BABA is great, and it rebounded pretty good today, I believe. So yeah, low today is 140, 148. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. But yeah, BABA, and then you look at the daily chart on it. So these represent days now, because I changed it over here. Days, like I said, the wicks, that's where it reached and then closed here. So yeah, it's been tough because of Trump, but yeah. Now let's go to the next one. I don't know. SQ is interesting. Daily, weird, I guess you can say. I don't really trade SQ.